The idea is very simple, as the title suggests, and initially it was designed so that children, when they start school, maybe in the first few weeks, there would be a ceremony and in which they would learn what they were going to be an expert in. And what would happen in the ceremony is they would be given a little folder and a topic. And the topics might be things like birds, the circus, railroads, apples, and the child then would build a portfolio on that topic for the next 12 years of their schooling. So by the end of schooling, every child would know almost as much as anybody on earth about something. It was an attempt to respond to, I think, one of the concerns a lot of people have about education at the moment, that children learn a lot about many things very superficially. And for that reason, it tends not to grab their imaginations. Most things don't, because the more you know about something, the more imaginatively you can get engaged in it. So this was an attempt to create a mechanism to engage children's imaginations and also to make sure that they learn something in depth that then would affect all the other things they learn later. I mean, some first child might be interested in apples in art and stories and literature, and so they can do that for a year if they want to. Got a lot of time on this project, so there's no hurry and there's no assessment. So and I think that's maybe why so many children like it, that they are pursuing something at their own pace, with their own interest level and their own ability level. There's nobody grading them, telling them they're not doing it right.
It gives the children and the parents a chance to communicate and work together and play together in an area of learning. Because this is long-term, this is ongoing, this is a portfolio that goes from class to class, year to year, parents can see the development. They can actually watch their child learn, watch their child's knowledge grow, and watch the intelligence of their child develop and flower.
So we have about 9 criteria for what you need to have as an adequate topic that will engage children at 5 and keep them interested until they're 15. We had 2 schools, 2 teachers just gave it a try in their classrooms, so we had about, in that year, 30 children. The next year we had about 2,000 children, more than 2,000. And this year, starting this year, we have, I've simply lost count, there are schools in Hungary, Romania, Greece, the US, Australia, Japan, New Zealand, England, and other countries. And it's in some sense gone viral.